Keyword research. I kept it till the end because keyword research is a very, very critical tool. People should know when to use the keyword research. Keyword research can be used before even building your business, before deciding that you are going to add a new product to your portfolio. It's a tool that search engine optimization and pay-per-click professionals use to find and research actual search terms that people enter into search engines. SEO and PPC professionals use research keywords to achieve better rankings in search engines. Once they find a niche keyword, they expand on it to find similar keywords. The process is usually aided by keyword suggestion tools like the Google AdWords Keyword Planner, which offers a thesaurus and provides alternate keyword suggestions. The objective of keyword research is to generate with good accuracy and recall a large number of terms that are highly relevant to the given input keyword. Process of keyword research involves brainstorming to analyze and break down the products and services and their features into keywords. So what you did at the very beginning of the research and the strategy, etc., and deciding on your goals and objectives, you have to come and validate it with the keyword research. It will give you who are actually your competitor in the market, what is the price of this keyword in the bidding, and you can use the listening tools to see the consumer's feedback on it. To achieve best SEO results, it's important to pick the most relevant keyword. It's a good practice to pick keywords that have little competition and a high number of searches. Those can be very specific long-tail keywords that are generated by the extensive research and understanding of the consumer behavior and psychology. Long-tail keywords are keywords or key phrases that are more specific and usually longer than more commonly searched for keywords. The better the understanding of the consumer's behaviors and needs, the more informed the choice of appropriate keywords that the consumer may use when searching for a product, service, feature, or benefit. Keyword example. A sports shop sells football sports shoes. Peak consumer demand from parents looking for affordable shoes for the kids usually occurs in June. The unique long tail keywords that would best match the search term of the consumers would be big discounts for kids, football, sports shoes. And the perfect timing for the advertisements would be June. By doing that, by understanding how this tool is working, understanding the keywords and the research tool, you will be able to stay away from the competition and the bidding of the high-cost keywords. Little competition makes it easier to achieve a higher ranking in search engines, and high number of searches guarantees that the keyword attracts web traffic. Good keywords are related to the theme of the website. Search engine algorithm can disallow or exclude from the search results any websites whose content is not relevant to the keyword.